Hello guys, have you been looking for how to trade boom and crash with a lot of confidence? How to build your confidence trading boom and crash? Then you need to watch this video to the end because when you lack confidence in trading, you won't be able to withstand a negative results for a very long time. You end up closing your trade prematurely. Okay, so you don't need to do this. All you need to do are just a few analyses which I will be showing you how to go about it, which will help you to long trade um to trade for a very long time while trading boom and crash. Okay, these are some of the things we will be looking in today's video, but before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, if you are new on this platform, okay, I share most of the trading tips that I personally use to trade forex market, which you too can put into practice at any time of the day. All you just need to do is just to make sure you study my videos and make sure you practice and perfect the skill first before you try it out on your real account. That aspect is very vital and important. Okay, and also if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. Probably you want to know about my trading strategy, or probably you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed in the description box below this video, and you can also find them on the screen at the moment. Okay, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it. Set the notification to all notifications so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's quickly check out what is happening in the market before we go into what we have for today properly. Okay, I'm analyzing the first asset, which is boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, as you can see, we are having long spikes today, so which means that at every support level, at every major support level, you should expect a major reversal in price action. Okay, so and once it gets to the resistance level, you should expect a long sell. Okay, just the way it happened here with that led to about 80 minutes 80-minute candles, giving you the opportunity to milk the market for 80 minutes. Okay, but when it got to this support level, you see it's giving us these three long spikes that took us back to that resistance level. It has tested the resistance level three times now. Okay, this is one area, then this is the second one, then this is the third one. The same thing is applicable to the support level, so you should look out for those areas whenever you are trading. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator. It was on a very long uptrend. Okay, just the way you have seen it here. We got our buy signal here, but got confirmed somewhere here, and it went for a very long time. This actually gave us about 60 minutes candles, but after getting to this resistance level, it pulled down a bit and tried to go up again. After getting there a second time, this time around it reversed the price action or the market into a downtrend totally, and still on downtrend at the moment. Wait for it to turn to uptrend before you jump into the trade. Let's check out what is happening with boom 500, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for this. At the moment, for boom 500, it is on uptrend at the moment, just the way you have seen the trend in action here. So if you are coming here, you will notice that it is on uptrend, even though the market tried to reverse a bit here, but didn't get to the entry point before moving back up. So at the moment it's still on uptrend, so it's going to be more of uptrend than downtrend. So if you must trade carefully so that you can achieve some profit for yourself. Okay, let's check out what is happening with Crash 500. For Crash 500, the market is consolidating at the moment. It came on a downtrend for a while, but now consolidating to decide if it will continue with a downtrend or uptrend. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame, so make sure you do your analysis very well. What I have just used here is just the NT indicator. Okay, it makes it easy for me to analyze around there, and if you should check it out, it is always consolidating after at this support level. Okay, and that is where it is still at the moment. So I will be stopping here with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go into what we have for today properly. Okay, let's go into what we have for today properly, and that is how to trade boom and crash for long. Okay, so many people have been looking for a way to make consistent profit. Okay, or I've gotten a lot of questions from people on how they can build their confidence back in trading. Okay, most of them jump into trading because boom and crash makes it very easy for them to trade. Okay, all you just need to do is just to sell boom, and immediately you are in profit, or you buy crash and immediately you are in profit. But once you encounter spikes, even if it's just for once, then you will be scared of trading, okay, as a newbie. Okay, so all you need to do is to learn how to go about it, the best time to trade, the best time frame to trade, and things like this, what you should look out for before you go into the trade. Okay, these are some of the things we'll be looking at in today's video. Okay, let's move on to the trading platform so that we get to see how to go about it. Okay, I'll be using the QDC scraper indicator to trade because most of the subscribers are using it, and it makes it very easy for them to milk the market successfully. So I'm going to be using it, and I will be doing my analysis with it. Okay, this is it. There are some things you should know before you start trading. Your technical analysis should be superb once you want to start trading, and one of the things you should look out for is for you to be able to identify the major support and resistance level, for you to be able to identify the trend of the market. All these things will help you to know if the market will go for long or short. Okay, these are some of the things you should look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, at the moment, the QDC scraper indicator will help you to solve the problem, because most people are usually having problem in identifying all these areas. It involves a whole lot of training before you can easily identify some of these things. Okay, but QDC scraper indicator will make it very easy for you to do this. Okay, you can see this here gives us the general trend of the market, okay, which can also speak for a very long time. Okay, so once it is red, it shows that the market is on downtrend. Once it is green, it shows that the market is on uptrend. So all you need to do is just to follow the trend. Okay, like I said, all these assets are trend trading assets, and the asset we are trading today, or we are analyzing today, is boom 500. Okay, which means that it sells normally. It will be having more of sales, or it sells normally compared to the spikes that happen suddenly. Okay, just that the spikes that happen suddenly can claim more candles than the way the sell candles will be created. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Normally, if you are trading a fiat currency or other what was it called, assets like volatility 75, volatility 100, and the likes, or even step index. Okay, once you place your order, okay, once you are sure of the trend, all you need to do is to wait for it to get to deliver for you to get to your profit once you are sure of the trend. So the same thing is applicable to boom and crash. Okay, so for boom, if you are selling, the first thing you should do is to identify the trend of the market. So how do you do that easily? Just come down to the third indicator here. If the arrow is dropping down here, then you should know that you should be getting ready to sell. Okay, all you just need to do is to wait for a sell signal on the main chart, and which has actually appeared already. So all you need to do is to place your order on this candle. Okay, you can sell on this candle. Okay, let's say you decided to hold your sell order till the end of the trend. Check out, it was a very long trend, isn't it? It was a very long trend. Okay, check it out. Till this level, this is where the trend came to an end on this candle just before it starts spiking. Check out the amount of profits you would have made at the end of the day. This is amazing. Anyone can actually do this. All you just need to do is just to make sure you put everything into practice, everything I'm explaining to you in this video into practice, and you will make the market successfully with it. Okay, so you will make the market successfully with this. Okay, in case you are not having enough trading capital, let me teach you how to go about it. Okay, this is your sell signal. Okay, you are having your sell signal here. You can always, within the sell signal, you can always make sure you use reasonable lot size. That's the first thing. You can always pick up 5-minute candles each time you have your sell signal on the sell trend. Okay, you can easily do that. Okay, check it out. This is this actually gave us a 9-minute candle, 11-minute candle. So all you just need is just 5 minutes. This is another one. This actually gave us 90-minute candle, and all you just need is just 5 minutes. The same thing is applicable to this, the same thing is applicable to this, and this also. So you can do this over and over again till you are able to grow your trading capital to a reasonable level. Okay, so that is how to go about it. This is what I want you to do. Okay, I want you to have this set up on your demo account and practice everything I have highlighted, every steps I have highlighted in today's video. Practice with it, and let's hear from you what your results the results you are able to get within the practice period. Okay, you can leave comments in the description, in the comment section below this video, or you send message to me on WhatsApp so that we see how you have been able to do your analysis, and how you have been able, if you are able to make some profits with it, or you are able to, or you actually lose out some of your money. But have this at the back of your mind. Okay, once you are within the right trend, even if a spike should happen while you are in between, while you are still within the right trend, then you are still good to go. Okay, because the trend is still red, it shows that it will definitely come to profit. Okay, then you should be patient enough, okay, to come into the trade, to wait for the right signal. For instance, okay, the price action is around here, and you want to quickly come in, you can wait for the next signal. Okay, this is the next signal, then you come in and pick up your 5-minute candle. So this is amazing. Okay, I'll be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.